everyone, and welcome to Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, located off of Lake Superior and located off of Highway 53. So if you hear a lot of road noise, that's why. Today I get to show you the Keystone Cougar Half-Ton, and it's the 29 RK. So let's take a look on the outside, take a look on the inside, and then you guys get to tell me what you think. So let's move on over. So with this 29 RKS, it's about 33 feet long. It's just under 33 feet long and just under 9,000 pounds dry weight. So it's a really great lightweight camper, sleeps 5 people. Nice, great big pass-through storage. Lots and lots of space. We'll come back around and we'll go inside and we'll highlight some of the great features on your entrance, but one of the best outdoor features not only is the big awning, but this great, huge, large, awesome outside kitchen. That was a lot of words. Your grill, we're gonna leave it wrapped up so it stays nice and pristine for whoever decides to make this camper their home away from home. You get an outlet so you can plug in, maybe it's your coffee maker, you wanna have coffee outside, or that quesadilla maker, waffle maker, whatever that is for you. Nice outdoor fridge. Fantastic to keep all the beverages or even all the cooking ingredients outside, which is great. So, outside shower. This has hot and cold water, so you're able to spray yourself off, the dogs, the bikes, whatever it is. Nice little outside storage here. Great for maybe like the dog dish, dog toys, just extra little things that you have outside. Ladder that goes all the way to the top, so you're able to access your roof and do all those roof maintenance things. It is prepped for a backup camera as well, which comes in really handy. So this camper has some nice slides that really help open up the space on the inside, and I'll show you those in a moment. And it is going to get loud because we are also by the airport. So we have an Air Force base that is close by us, so you get some road noise with that. Okay, nice convenience center. You get your solar plug, you get your Key TV, which Key TV is exclusive to Keystone, uses a lot less cords and wires to be able to give you the right kind of satellite or TV cable service. This has got your tank flushes, your connections, your winterize, also another external shower, hot and cold as well. And I always highlight this because I think this is such a huge key. So this has your, it's got two, but up through the basement there. So what's nice is you can have all of your hoses or cords or anything go through here and be plugged in or hooked up wherever it needs to be without actually impeding on maybe the seals of your door. Plus the ability to have that door closed and keep anything in that pass-through storage safe, locked up, is huge. So that's great. I'm gonna make sure not to hit my head. All right, these here, I always forget to highlight these. This is your propane tanks. You got one on each side. Nice and convenient space there. So moving on under this front area, you do have your battery set up, your spare tire, a little bit of extra storage, so you're able to put maybe some of those tools and other such things inside your compartment. Road armor hitch. Great, nice LED lights. Lots of great bonuses to the outside. Wraparound front cap. Okay, so on our way on the inside. So the inside is really exciting, but something else on, as I just hit it, something else exciting on your way in is not only the solid steps, but now they have these nice long handles. So you're not having to reach super far up or somewhere else. It's called the safety rail. Very convenient for everyone, not just particular customers. So on inside there, we shut the door so now you can hear me a little bit better with the jets and the cars, and everybody's excited about summer. So Inside, there's a lot of space. See, there's 3 slides to this camper. There's 2 opposing slides in this living area. So you're getting lots and lots of nice open space with this back kitchen here. And then you get another slide in the bedroom. I'll highlight that in a moment. So nice large counter space, lots of fantastic storage. Here you get a nice open space. What's great about that is that can fit a kitchen garbage very nicely. Everybody's always trying to find a place for that kitchen garbage to go. Now you have it. Okay, double sink. What's nice is that they dropped down the divider so you can still clean off something. Say you have a big cookie sheet, you still have the ability to wash that off. But you still can have your rinse water and your wash water if that's, you know, a lot of people do that to kind of conserve on water. Okay, I'm a little bit short, so it's a little harder for me to get way up inside. Microwave, you have your nice fan, your 3-burner Furrion stove, and an oven. And then of course, I'm gonna switch gears here. You have your drawer for more storage, more counter space. That would be great for the Instapot or, whoops, for the Instapot or for the crock pot or maybe that pizza pizzazz, because everybody likes to have a pizza on a rainy day. Okay, maybe not everybody. All right, nice big freezer, lots of space for those fudgies, your ice cream. It can fit a pizza, frozen pizza in there. Nice big. Now this is a 12-volt fridge. The 12-volt fridge will run off of your battery. Now this rig is coming with a lithium battery, so you are getting more power, more charge with less weight than a lead acid battery. So you have a table and chair set, which is really convenient for everybody to sit around, play cards, eat a meal. The table is big enough where you can actually fit 4 plates. I think that's always a huge thing when you're utilizing that space. So on into the recliners, and you get 2 cup holders, storage. You do also have controls on either side, so you're able to extend, lean back, all the good things. And it's got a USB plug in there, so you can plug in all of your iPads and iPhones and Androids or whatever it is that you have. So moving over to the entertainment end of this, you have more storage this way. Now you can utilize this. This is kind of a 6 one way, half a dozen the other. You can use it for kitchen storage, or because it's close enough to the entertainment center, you could use it for entertainment storage, since you do have a lot of storage in the kitchen. It's your camper, so it's completely up to you. Nice. Nice storage in here. I'm really liking the fact that I have a lot of storage to highlight, which is great. Now there is your radio inside, outside, so you have zone 1, zone 2, InnoFlame electric fireplace will give you some heat. Now you're not going to be able to heat your entire camper off of this one little rig here, but what this does is it can take off that chill in the morning, chill off at night, and you can turn the heat off and just have it for an ambiance and have some different colored flames. It's kind of a fun feature. So this couch does go out into additional sleeping. If you have more people to sleep, it does say that this can sleep 5, so you'd be able to sleep a couple more people. I do have to go kind of up here to open this up. Great storage up above for all kinds of those things. Okay, so we're gonna move on into the bedroom area. Couple of steps, nice great grab handle there. In command system, so you do have, it's a touch screen system for all of your everything, which is fantastic, all in one nice convenient place. Then there is also a way where you can connect it to your phone, have the app on your phone, and do a whole bunch of different features. There's more to it than I'm going to get into in this video. If you have questions, you can give me a call. 218-740-4997. I'd be happy to answer any questions you have on this camper, the in-command system, or any other camper we have on our lot. I'd be happy to help. So moving into the bathroom. So there is quite a bit of storage, not storage. There's, well, storage for your legs, I suppose. A lot of space for your legs. It is a, I don't know if you can hear it, porcelain toilet. There's a lot of benefits to that. Nice area, a little bit of counter space, nothing too crazy, but you do have storage underneath. So when you have that storage underneath, you can store things. You don't necessarily have to have all of the things on the counter, like the toothbrushes and all of that stuff. It's better in a cupboard anyways. On into the shower. I love showing these showers because I am 5 feet tall, so I am reaching all the way up. If you are really tall, say 6 feet or more, you'd be able to fit underneath this little domed skylight here. And it does have a sitting area that's already built in, which is nice. Nice little holders for your shampoo and soaps and all of those things. Another thing that's great is these doors do shift over. So say it's a little bit easier. Oh, okay, I can't get it on this one. You can shift them over if it's easier to get in on this other side, but the seat is there, so it depends on which direction you would want to go, one or the other. So, all right, towel bar and storage back in there. Perfect. So, moving into the bedroom. Now this, remember I said this camper has 3 slides. So the slide that's in this one is a wardrobe slide. So what's great about that is it gives you a lot of extra cubby and drawer space that you may not get if you didn't have, or that you for sure wouldn't get if you didn't have a wardrobe side. Sometimes they try to put it over here and impede on your bathroom space, and then that just makes your bathroom smaller. Nice little slide like this helps give quite a bit of extra storage space. There's going to be storage underneath on hydraulics, so you're not having to use your shoulder or maybe your head to hold it up as you're digging those things out. Very convenient that way. Ooh, that was a little loud. I apologize. And wardrobe storage again on either side, also up above on either side. You each get a counter area or a nightstand area with plug-ins and USBs, so you can plug in your phones, your CPAP machines, your iPads, your whatever it is. You have water bottle, glass storage, your reading book, all those great things. So this is a queen bed, and it does come with a nice comforter there. So with that, this is the 2023 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton. It's the 29 RKS, so it's got a rear kitchen. Again, my name is Haley, and if you'd love to work with me on this unit or maybe any other unit, give me a call, 218-740-4997. And as always, I'm willing to go the extra mile to help you camp in style. Have a great day, everyone.